Well, the conference is as a result of our national conversation over the last 6 months, asking young people in Wales whether they thought the voting age should be lowered to 16. We had 10,300 responses, huge numbers, and this is the conference is a result of that. Over 53% said they would like to be able to vote, 29% no, 19% said they weren't sure. But what was interesting in the results was over 70% said they needed more information, more education in schools. So that is one avenue that we will definitely be pursuing. But the assembly here this morning is a buzz, as you can see, with all these young people. Absolutely fantastic.
So the question was asked to our Bwrdd Sir Ifanc, which is the Youth Council for the Urdd, in a meeting around December time if we wanted the vote or not. And we thought it was very positive that we were asked our opinion if we wanted it or not, and that the fact that our voice came into play and that they're taking more attention and paying more attention to the young people and our voices. And it was very positive to see everybody's reaction to it. It's very important that we have our voice played here, and our voice plays the largest part maybe in consultations, because if we don't want it, there's no point giving it to us. And the fact that there's so many young people and that it's so positive, and that the Assembly wants to hear from us and they're taking into play what we say is very important, and it's a very positive atmosphere around it.
The conference is great. It's just a way we can get young people's opinions heard on the issue of votes at 16. I think that's the most important part. It's fundamental that young people are involved in the whole process, whether or not they should have the right to vote. It's common sense really that they should be involved in something that includes and is about them. So it's a good opportunity for voices to be heard by important people. Personally, I think it should be, however, not until political education is improved within schools and until it's made compulsory across the board, because I think there's a real shortage of quality political education that's compulsory in all schools.